Cyfield Group is a European engineering and construction organization established in Cyprus in 1990, when two leading construction and development companies joined forces and created a union that now surpasses the sum of its parts. This synergy, with its combined strength in all fields of construction engineering, brings added value to the individual companies and multiplies the organization's capabilities. Serving both the government and private sector, we are a leading player in civil engineering construction, land development, and materials production. The Cyfield Group has earned Class A certification for technical works that cover infrastructure and public utility projects, as well as residential and commercial buildings, and can execute even the biggest project anywhere in Europe. The local authorities in Egypt and Oman have also awarded us the highest contractors classification. Every member company of the organization is ISO certified, and its products carry the CE mark. Our annual turnover exceeds 100 million euros. In the last years, we have executed many and diverse construction and development projects in excess of 700 million euros. The Cyfield Group is an integrated group of 20 companies with headquarters in Cyprus and distinguished presence in Greece, and subsidiary companies in Egypt and Oman. Through successful tendering procedures, we have proudly constructed many important and diverse infrastructure projects, construction and maintenance of highways, roads and bridges. Respecting the commuting traffic, we service the motorways at night, delivering high-quality work with minimum downtime. We have constructed thousands of kilometers of sewerage systems all over Cyprus, including the installation of pumping stations and treatment plants. Using our specialized machinery and expert staff, we execute these important projects with precision and the least possible disturbance to the environment and the community. The construction of the man-made drainage lake in Limassol and the stormwater drainage system in Greece are just two examples of recent environmental projects in our portfolio. Other environmental projects currently under construction are the restoration and rehabilitation of a number of landfill sites and the creation of several green points for refuse recycling. Recently, we have completed and delivered the Solea Dam and water transportation system, contributing to the revival of agriculture in the region. Construction of wave breakwaters is another specialty of our group, as well as seaside reclamation works. We are very proud that the Limassol Seaside Park and the Piale Pasha Avenue in Larnaca are the two single projects that have significantly upgraded the tourist product of these two important cities. Land development has been the other key part of our activities for more than 25 years. And we are continuing with better, bigger and more sophisticated building projects. We meticulously select the choicest locations where our in-house architects and engineering teams design the most efficient buildings constructed by our crews under the company's high specifications and strict quality standards. The PwC headquarters in Nicosia is the jewel in our crown of landmark buildings. A similar building in Athens has also been recently completed and delivered to its proud tenants. Our expertise extends to all kinds of buildings, commercial offices, schools, religious establishments, industries, and choice residential properties. Increasingly conscious of our carbon footprint, we have branched out into energy production by creating one of the first photovoltaic parks in Cyprus. Our expert engineers also provide photovoltaic studies and installations, energy performance certifications for buildings, and energy audits for industries. We are committed to providing the highest quality of materials for all our projects at exactly the time we need them and at the right cost. Ready-mix concrete is delivered in our own concrete mixers and pumps to every location required. Our 3 modern asphalt plants produce high-quality asphalt to the requirements of each project. Materials quality is paramount to our work, and we make sure in every step of the way that quality is never jeopardized. To ensure the quality of our asphalt, we import bitumen ourselves, which is stored in our modern isothermic tanks on the premises of our industrial facility. The group's 2 limestone quarries produce the aggregates required for all the jobs at hand at the right specification and grade for each project. Our supply of materials includes the manufacture of concrete precast products, such as concrete pipes and box culverts used in sewerage projects, concrete blocks and paving stones used in buildings and road construction, and other products used in the construction industry. Significant investments were made in the purchase of the latest type of machinery suitable for each job, all of which are serviced and maintained in our modern maintenance and repair plant for optimum performance and trouble-free operation. We are proud that we add value to all the construction work that we undertake using high-quality materials, applying excellent workmanship and delivering everything on time. Our significant progress and successes so far were made reality because of the contribution and dedication of our people, our greatest asset. Headed and inspired by our founder, our highly experienced managers and staff take care of every aspect of our business. The Cyfield Group is honored to have contributed to the expansion of the construction industry in Cyprus by executing important infrastructure projects, producing landmark buildings, and extending the organization's boundaries to nearby friendly countries. We look to the future with optimism.